Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making apple crisp in the Instant Pot. For this recipe, we need apples, butter, oatmeal, cinnamon, and maple syrup, and also water for pressure cooking. To start, we need to chop the apples into pieces. So first I slice the apples and discard the core. Now the chopped apples go inside the Instant Pot. So I'm going to open the lid of the Instant Pot. And as I chop the apples right away, I will start putting them in the pot. Now I'll repeat with the remaining apples. Now we've chopped the apples, and the next step would be to sprinkle them with cinnamon. So I'm going to use half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And sprinkle it over the apples. And next, I'm going to add half a cup of water to the Instant Pot. So we have the layer of apples, and the next step would be to make the oatmeal crumble that goes on top of the apples. So we need 4 tablespoons of butter, and we need to melt it. So I'm going to measure out the 4 tablespoons, which is half a stick of butter. Put it in a microwave-safe dish, and now I will microwave it. Now I've melted the butter in a microwave, and to this butter I'm going to add 1 cup of oats, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And now I will mix this. And the next step would be to add this on top of the apples to the Instant Pot. I'm just going to drop it by a spoon. And now the apple crisp is ready to cook. So let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Let's set the valve to the sealing position and press the pressure cook button and pressure cook on high for 4 minutes. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so I'm going to let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Now the pressure has released naturally for 10 minutes, so we're going to quick release the remaining steam. I'm going to cover the vent with a towel just in case if it splatters. And let's do a quick release. Now the pressure has released, so let's open the lid. And the apple crisp is ready. Let's take it out of the Instant Pot. Here we go, delicious apple dessert is ready. So easy to make and it's healthy. Now let's try it. It tastes amazing. For a free printable recipe, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and I have lots of other easy Instant Pot recipes there as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.